This tutorial will show you how to turn off sync contacts on TikTok online social media platform for Windows, Mac, and iPhone and Android. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Alright, the first step basically to turn off sync contacts on TikTok for smartphone is to open up the TikTok application. And once TikTok has been opened up and loaded, basically you want to go to the bottom right hand screen and click on the profile icon or your profile. And once your profile has been opened up and loaded, go to the top right hand screen over right here next to the shoe icon, click these three little things right here, and basically you want to scroll down and click settings and privacy. And once opened up and loaded, as you can see here, settings and privacy, you basically now want to locate where it says account and click on privacy. And as you can see, if we scroll down under privacy and then scroll back up, we have a list of different options and icons here. Our account's private. As you can see, sync contacts and Facebook friends, suggest your account to others. So now you want to be able to click one of these options, suggest your account to others. And as you can see here, we have different options of contacts, Facebook friends, and people who open or send links to you. You can click this, and as you can see, it turns blue, which means it's currently enabled, and then it turns white or gray, and it's currently disabled. So that's how you do it in TikTok here, completely online for free. You can even click this other option, sync contacts and Facebook friends.